it felt just slightly out of frame. Soft light on the concrete, like it somehow knew my name. People move like a rhythm that your heartbeat learns to join. And the night holds you steady in a city sitting north of noise. I used to think loud meant strong. I thought quiet meant unsure. But here the calm keeps proving me wrong, and strength shows up in something pure. And there's a feeling rising in the ordinary things, a quiet kind of courage that doesn't need to sing. Open doors and easy voices, nobody acting poised, feels like belonging lies somewhere north of noise. Saw strangers sharing laughter with someone they just met. No suspicion in the posture, just a kindness without depth. There's a warmth in the cold here, it doesn't cut you, it forgives. Like the world finally learning that welcome is a way to live. I used to believe that borders were the shape of who we are, but here the lines are open corners, letting light spill from afar. And there's a feeling rising in the ordinary things, a quiet kind of courage that doesn't need to sing. Open doors and easy voices, nobody acting poised, feels like belonging lives somewhere north of noise. Maybe freedom's in the soft words, maybe power's in the grace, maybe peace is just the roommate when you carve out someone's place. Didn't learn it from the chaos, didn't hear it in the void, only felt it in the heartbeat of a land that lives north of noise. And the feelings rising steady in the small and everyday.